everyone, it's Karen from the Close to My Heart home office, and I'm here today to show you some really fun techniques that are in our Love Blossoms card workshop. As you can see, there are a lot of really gorgeous cards that you'll be making in this workshop, and today we're just going to focus on two and actually a little bit more on one of them. There is embossing on two of the cards that you're making, and we're using this really fun Swiss dot embossing folder to do those techniques. This first one you'll see is done just like the embossing folder is. You see these dots and a cute little stitched line, and then up here it's blank, it's a partial folder. So you just line it up like that and slide it right through. The one that I want to talk to you about today is this card. This one has the dots embossed on the whole background, and I'm going to show you that technique with a few little tips and hints to make it look really, really great. So what you need to start with is an embossing machine. We'll be using the Cuttlebug today, and we'll need an A plate and two B plates. We'll start out here with our folder. The first thing we're going to do is put our sheet of cardstock in the folder, and you can see I'm lining it up just under that stitched line. We don't want the stitched line to appear on our card, and so it's just underneath that stitched line. We'll do our A plate, our B plate, then our second B plate, line those all up nicely together, and run that through our Cuttlebug machine. And as we take that out, you can see that we have a partially embossed piece of cardstock. What we want to do is emboss the rest down here on the bottom. So we'll go back to our stack of plates. We've got our A plate and our B plate. This time we're going to open our folder, turn our paper so that the unembossed edge is poking into the folder. We want to line those dots up. The top row of dots we want to line up with the bottom row of dots on the folder so that you can see they're exactly lined up, and you'll be even just able to see it a little bit better when you put it in. So we've got this line lined exactly up on our last row of dots. Here is the trick you're going to want to remember. You're going to put that onto your A and B plate. This time, when we put our second B plate on top, we are going to put it above where we have already embossed. So above the lines that we've already embossed, and that way there will be no pressure against those that would maybe make them flatten out. And we will put it through our Cuttlebug again. As we pull it out, you can see that we have a perfectly embossed entire background piece of dots. So this great folder is awesome for either technique, a partially embossed card or a fully embossed card. We hope you enjoy these tips and techniques and putting together the gorgeous Love Blossoms card workshop.